WS Audiology expands Indian operations with new commercial and production hub in Bangalore. Bangalore, India, 16th April 2025. WS Audiology, WSA, a leading pure-play hearing healthcare group, today announced the opening of its new office in Bangalore, further strengthening its footprint in India. The facility, operating as WS Audiology India, will serve as a key hub for commercial and production activities, supporting WS's long-term commitment to improve hearing health access across the country. The new Bangalore office reflects WS's belief in India's growing role in the global hearing care landscape. According to the World Health Organization, an estimated 6.3% of India's population suffers from significant hearing loss. WSA continues to lead the industry in making hearing care more accessible, affordable, and effective through its AAA approach: awareness, affordability, and accessibility. Supporting growth, enhancing service. India has been one of our fastest growing markets in APAC, and we are incredibly proud of the work our teams have done here, said Avinash Pawar, Country Manager, WSA India. From our beginnings with a small team and limited presence, we have expanded our operations with offices in Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore, along with our digital platform Here.com. In the last few years alone, we've helped improve the lives of thousands across the country. Given the increasing demand for our solutions, we've outgrown our previous space. This new office allows us to bring more efficiency to our services, strengthen our operations and customer support, and better cater to the needs of the Indian market over the next few years, he added. WSA India also continues to play an important role in public sector initiatives by supplying affordable hearing aids through government tenders and participating in corporate social responsibility programs that raise awareness and donate hearing aids to underserved communities. A strategic market for global growth. India's strategic importance in WSA's global vision was underscored by both the Danish Embassy in India and WSA regional leadership present at the opening ceremony. WSA's expansion in India stands as a strong testament to the country's growing prominence in the global health tech landscape. We are proud to witness a Danish-rooted company like WS Audiology deepen its commitment to India by creating high-value employment opportunities and improving access to world-class hearing care across the country. This milestone reflects the strength of the Denmark-India partnership in health innovation, driven by a shared vision of accessible and inclusive healthcare for all, said His Excellency Rasmus Abildgaard Christensen, Ambassador of Denmark to India. Olivier Chupi, Regional President for Asia Pacific at WS Audiology, reinforced the company's long-term commitment to India and its people. We are committed to continuously investing in India, not just in infrastructure, but in people, partnerships, and possibilities to bring wonderful sound to all. India is one of our fastest growth markets in APAC, and this new office reflects a long-term belief in the country, he said. The new Bangalore office will play a vital role in reinforcing WSA's operations in India. Currently home to over 200 professionals.
My name is Avinash Pawar and I work as a CEO and Managing Director with WS Audiology India. WS Audiology is one of the leading manufacturer and distributor of hearing aids worldwide. India, we have a legacy of more than 25 years. And we are working on three anchors: creating awareness, addressing the social stigma, enhancing the accessibility so that hearing care solution can be available to every possible consumer in the country, and providing the most affordable solutions to hearing impaired people in India. Today we inaugurated the state-of-the-art facility here in the city of Bengaluru. This facility includes that not only our service repair labs, but the most important is also that manufacturing of hearing aids. We are the first global company in India to start manufacturing hearing aids under Make in India. A Danish technology is offered at the most affordable prices. So we are very happy and proud to announce the inauguration of this facility today here in Bangalore.
Any future plans?
The future plans is that we have started this facility where we can expand our resources, improve our services to the customers and consumers, also look at possible alternative options so that a teleaudiology can also be provided. So with this objective of providing continuing services and catering to increasing demand, we set up the new larger facility here in Bangalore. Thank you.
Yes, I congratulate the WSA Bangalore for having opened up such a wonderful facility to all those who are short of hearing, to provide them with the best of hearing aid, best of technology, which is as good as any other country. So we are producing it and manufacturing it right here in this wonderful, fabulous office which they have opened up today. And I congratulate all of them. And it is in partnership with Denmark. 75 years, platinum year between Denmark and India. What a wonderful partnership this has been. जब partnership होती है ना, चाहे किसी भी field में क्यों ना हो, जीतना ही पड़ता है. And there's always a victory when there's a good partnership, good understanding, like we won the 1983 World Cup. Okay.